Kublai pi baro ngi pedang sngop hai pi chu thup khubor man daga janmit shwaban phai shki khubor ki babnya ini pechwai ki mat bakongsan halor ka thma jong ka Israel ba ka Palestine yang scam ka India ban ai jing ka shani ka Israel pen pau menteri rang ba do ka riu Narendra Modi hau Netanyahu Naki arspa anyo potli ki primary school haga jala penrung tang hapo shiphawngot ki khna on bishar bnya ka sarkar jala on siu ka sarkar jala ya ka tulap ka ba arbanai na ka benta ki no hikai SSA ha uri saw mentaw snem Bat bun nagi benta jo ka surok ba tura shadalu kilangat ha ka jing tua khndeu ki khubor ki babnya Umentri rang badu ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ulayo banya kranling ba ka phone ba umentri rang badu ka ri Narendra Modi hene ka sngi ban penpau halor ka jinglong jingman habakran ha ka social media umudi ula ai khublai u barula ong bakinong shong shnong jong ka ri India ki ai ka jing krshani ke Israel hakum kani ka por ka ba e ula banrap ru da ka ba ong ba ka India ka penram jur halor ka jing thombor da ki ken hun le ano Umentri ketenat puli puthi rakam e sangma ulaong bakajing penrung school ki khna ki primary school kalanang hiar hakaba kiladon satang hapo shiphawngot ki khna ki belay rung haki shispa anru pratli ki lower primary school but shispa iwetli ki upper primary school uni umentri ulaong bakani ka shong kat kum ka jing ai jing khen ka balawan ling ba ketenat puli puthi jong ka sarkar pedeng da ka babenrap ba ka ketenat puli puthi jong ka jala kan haban bishar thu ya gani bat ban pen urlong ya baro ki jing don kam Usang mau la ongru bakam don jing buat ban khang noi ki school ban nakaliang ka school kan hab ban bishar bnya bat ru ban pen biang ki jaka ki babiang bat ru ka jing don ki no hikai
Closing may not be the solution but we have to now study how it has happened. It is because of the infrastructure, because of the teachers, because of some other things. So I think after verifying all the reason and the issues, I think the government can take the step. But this is something which is to my concern that schools having less enrollment is a matter of concern. And it really gives challenge and what you call the teachers and the management has to take on board.
Umentri ketenat puli puthi rakam e sangma hakala singi bleu la penbana ba ka sarkar jala kala rai ban siu ya katulap ka ba ar banai na ka banta ki no hikai SSA mentau banai usang mau lo ong ba ka Ministry of Education jo ka sarkar pedeng kampat shimla mang pisa na ka banta ka wat ka baningkong henry na kaliang ka jala kala menjur ban pelat ya kate katulap ka ba ar banai shabaro ki no hikai SSA Shosho ulo ong baka jala kalayo pediang ru ka jingrap ka pahap hapo ka midday meal program na ka benta ka jing siwi kinong shet nadu ubnaya yong hadu benai jaliu usang mau la benrap ru da ka baong baka sarkar kala bang pisa na ka benta ka tulap kino hikai halaki jong ki kerdan jong ki school nadu unai weng jong snem ar hajar ar khulai
issues being doing around has been sorted out and we are expecting any time from now in next few days to release from the government of India. However, as a state government, we have received the approval for capping norms amount and we will be releasing 2 months salary for all the SSA teacher.
Kindiat ki jaka jong ka national highway ka bapani snow e ka tura shadu ka kram dalu ha jengget chagre kala penshong sieri ki bor bade khmi bar ki nong shong shnong ka jingjia ka braja hinin ka step kala pen e bakani baro ka de na ka jing pom pathari ki dieng ki siet ka balam sha ka jing twa khndo bar ka jing khlem jong ka surok ba ki bor bade khmi ki bawat jing tip ya ka te ka jingjia kala yo jing tip ba ka jing kala ka de na ka jing pom pathari ki dieng ban thang bun bar ka jing ther ulap ba ka balam sha ka jing sha rong lut ka khndo Ki head officer jong katanat Public Works Department PWD Nagaru Hills kilapan pau ya ki jing ka bakra ban wan bat ban wat kilat kilinti ban wan ra biang ya ka jing pen pha hakathan barok kawai. Shibenta ban snok tilang ba ka prothai hi barok kawai ya ka mental health day la rakhi ha ka jala ha ka shipautorik risau ha ka baya day ba ka ni ka jing rakhi ka sun care ka penlong ya ka jing tai halor ka phang mental health is a universal human right ha plau jong ka jaka sumar hanong ba shilong ha ba pen pau ha ki jing don kam ban sngo thu e ki jing e halor ka jing shitam ha ka bor perkhat da ka ba on kan thup ru ye ki lat pen khia ye ka ni ka jing pang ha po ka sustainable development goals ki college ki be shimanta ha ka ni ka program ki kan thup ye ka Lidkin College Martin Luther Christian University ka St Edmunds College ka Synod College Negrims College of Nursing National Law College St Anthony's College Batka Nehu Law Department.
Health is a universal right for all. Today we come together not only as a community but as a force for change.
Ka State Disaster Management Authorities haringkat ka jinga trelang bat ka National Disaster Management Authority New Delhi ne ka sngi ka penlong ya ka seminar ha State Convention Center Shillong na ka benta banlong ki bala pen kre la da wan ki jingjia shatlin shop ha ki bor ka mariang ha ka jala baro akilation bentalang ha ka ni ka seminar hadien ka seminar on penlong pat saya ka mock drill halor ujumai bar ki jing twa khndo ha ka khat artrik risau ya ka mock exercise on penlong ha baro ki khat art league district jonga jala. Mentapat ngin pet ye ke jinglong jing man ka suin beneng hashlong ka jing shit ka long arpulai point r degree celsius ba ka jing kriat ka long khat sun degree celsius ka jing sngam ka haw ka long prapuwe ne ka shis pa men step bat prapun rew na ka shis pa janmet kala bandan ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka shwaban poish ka bakut jog thu khubor ngin pet bang sai sin kimat ba kongsan halor ka thma jo ka Israel ba Palestine yang scam ka India ban ai jing kershan ka Israel pen pau menteri rang ba du ka ri Narendra Modi ha udiatan yahu naki aspa nyo potli ki primary school ha ka jala penrung tang hapo shphongut ki khna on bishar banya ka sarkar jala on siu ka sarkar jalai ka tulap ka baar banai na ka benta ki no hikai SSA how risaw mentaw snem bat bun na ki benta jo ka surok ba tu rasha dalu kilangat ha ka jingtwa khndo Ti perlok da kitu ki khubor ngila poish ka bakut jong kutuk khubor jong imenta ga janmet hadu bangide shambyang wat phila shai ka sngi khublei phi baro